Hi, first graders. We are working hard at writing how-to stories. I actually wrote one today on how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And I want to teach you that it's important to work with a partner. So I asked Tilly to be my partner today and to act out your directions to make sure that your instructions are clear and that they make sense. So I'm going to have Tilly act out how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I'll read her my directions and then we'll make sure that my directions are clear, and in the end, she'll have a really good sandwich she can eat for lunch. All right, Tilly, my story starts by saying, I love peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Do you? I'll teach you how to make one. You could have it for lunch. So that was my lead. And then Tilly, I actually have all the things pictured here, what you need, and I've even set them out for you so you can begin. All right, my first instruction is first, get the bread ready.
Get the bread ready.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go bread.
Oh, okay. Next, it says put the bread on the plate.
Put the bread on the plate. All right.
Spread the butter on one side of the bread.
Spread one side. Butter. One side. All right.
So you're choosing that side, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. After that, my directions say put the peanut butter on top of the butter.
Put peanut butter on top of butter. Peanut butter on top of butter.
Yeah. Oh, and then it says next, spoon the jelly on top of the peanut butter.
Spoon jelly on top of peanut butter.
That's grandma's jelly. Yeah.
Yummy.
Spoon it out. Oh.
All right.
Okay, and then it says, now spread it all over.
Spread it all over.
Yeah.
All right.
Finally, eat it up.
Mom!
Hey, writers. I know now that I could have added a couple more steps to make my writing more clear and my directions more precise. Like I could have said, take the bread out of the bag. I think that would have been helpful. Yeah, Tilly? Yup. All right, guys, you could read your directions to a partner today, and you could check for clarity. Did your directions make sense, or are there a couple more tips that you could add to make your writing more clear? Keep up the good work, first graders. I'm very proud of you. You've got this. Have a great day. Bye, guys.
Bye.